Presenting push button operated sanitary napkin vending machine is an ATM machine used for dispensing sanitary pads anytime in emergency. Storage capacity of 30 pads and can be loaded off any size trifold. Dimensions: length 550 mm, breadth 150 mm, height 300 mm, weight 7 kg 500 gram. Machine mechanism: press the push button to start. Inspection window, door lock, napkin collection point, wall mountable, metal finish powder coated body. Operating mechanism: connect the 2-pin wire of the electric board and plug in. Press the push button and get the napkin. Thanks for connecting us.